Today I'm going to teach you how to do the Rubiks Cube and the paper bag magic trick. It's a very simple magic trick. You take a mixed up Rubiks Cube, you put it in a paper bag, you take it out, it's solved. If you want to see a performance of it, it's up on my TikTok. It's going to be the first link in the description. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. So, this trick uses a simple algorithm with only 4 moves that makes it look mixed, and then 4 moves to make it solved again. This is what you're going to do. Start with a solved Rubiks Cube if you don't know how to solve a Rubiks Cube, and leave a link in the description on a video how to solve your Rubiks Cube. Once you have a solved Rubiks Cube, we can get started. The first key you're going to need to know for this algorithm is there's going to be 2 types of moves. The first type is going to be a single row, like this. The second type of move is going to be where you turn 2 rows at a time, a double, just like this one. Before you start mixing the cube, make sure the yellow side is on top, the green side is facing you, and the orange is to the right. So these are the 4 moves. The first thing you're going to do, take the top and turn it to the right. Single. Then you're going to take the left and turn it up. Now you're going to do the same thing again, but with double. Take the top 2, turn it to the right, and then turn it up, just like this. This is what you should end up with. It looks like it's really mixed. Now, when you're ready to solve it, this is what you're going to do. You're going to have to locate this little yellow square, and this is how you're going to position it. Just like this. The orange on top, it's going to be to orange, and the blue to the left. And all you're going to do is repeat the same algorithm, but with the doubles first, just like this. Go to the right, double, then up, double, then you're going to do the single. To the right, and up. Just like this. Now it's solved. So, let me show you again. When you're ready to solve it, this little yellow square, 2 orange on top, 2 blue to the left. This is all you're going to do. Hold on to it like this. Go double to the right, and then up, double, then single, right, and single, up, just like this. What you should do now is take a cube and go learn how to do these 4 moves smoothly. After you can do them smoothly, you're going to start practicing with the bag. So, since it's 4 moves, I would recommend you should do 2 moves on the way in and 2 moves on the way out. Let me explain. So, you're going to come up to the spectator, show them that the cube is mixed. If you want, you can do the fake shuffle that I taught you in one of my previous videos. It will make the trick look better. So, show them that it's mixed. Put it in the right position. The 4 yellow squares facing you. And then just put it in the bag. While you put it in the bag, do the first 2 moves, which is this. The double. To the right and up. And just place it in the bag. You're going to have to memorize the position of the cube. Let it go. Take your hand out. Show them that it's still mixed. It's going to look mixed because it's dark inside, they won't be able to see. And also to show them that there's only 1 cube in the bag. After you do this, just put your hand back in with the position of the cube memorized and do the final 2 moves, which is the single, right and up. And take it out, show them that it's completely solved. So that's all you need to know for the Rubiks Cube and paper bag magic trick. You've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please leave a like. It really helps out a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe, so in the future, when I post my videos, you can be the first to see them. If you want to see more Rubiks Cube magic tricks, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching.